Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be making something that is just so beautiful and incredibly delicious. It's a savory Burmese avocado salad. In Burmese, it's called tall but the tok, which you can say like ha but the tok. And trust me, it tastes as amazing as it looks. So if you're in the mood for something that's super fresh, wonderfully creamy, and just popping with all kinds of amazing flavors, well, you are in for a treat today. Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. I'm so glad you're here with me. We're about to explore some of the most vibrant tastes from Myanmar, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. This avocado salad is just a total celebration of fresh ingredients. You know, in Myanmar, salads, which they call thok, are a huge part of the cuisine. They're all about texture and bright, bold flavors. And this one, it's light, but it's also really satisfying, perfect for lunch or as a side with dinner. Okay, let's talk about what we need. You know, the best recipes are often the simplest, and this is one of them. The magic really comes from just a few really fresh ingredients coming together. So, of course, we're going to start with one beautiful, ripe, creamy avocado. Then we've got about 10 sweet cherry tomatoes. They give this amazing little burst of sweetness. We'll need one medium onion for that savory kick and half a lime for that bright, zesty punch. And to tie it all together, just a little salt, a splash of fish sauce for that deep umami flavor, and a sprinkle of roasted chili powder for a nice smoky heat. All right, let's get everything ready to go. And the best part is, this prep is so quick. Seriously, in just a couple of minutes, everything will be ready for us to mix into this amazing salad. First things first, you'll want to carefully peel your avocado and cut it into nice bite-sized chunks. Next up, give those cherry tomatoes a wash and just slice them right in half. Look at that gorgeous red. And then for the onion, you want to get your slices as thin as you possibly can. We're talking paper thin, so they just melt right into the salad. Now, here's a little secret for you, and it's all about texture. The number one rule is to be gentle. You really want to mix the ingredients, let them get to know each other, but you absolutely do not want to mash that beautiful, creamy avocado. We want chunks, not mush. Okay, so all our ingredients are prepped. They're looking absolutely fantastic. Are you ready to bring it all together? Because this is where the magic happens. Let's get to the final step, and honestly, it's the most exciting part. This is where all those separate, delicious things become one spectacular salad. So, into a nice big bowl go your avocado chunks, those juicy tomatoes, and your super thin onion slices. Now for the flavor. Add a good pinch of salt, just a little splash of fish sauce, and then a sprinkle of that roasted chili powder. To top it all off, squeeze that fresh lime juice all over everything. Okay, now, and remember, be gentle. Use your hands or a big spoon and just carefully toss it all together. Ah, the smell is just incredible already. Okay, now for the most important step of any recipe. You have to taste it. Give it a try. Does it need a little more salt? Maybe a bit more lime for some zing? Or are you feeling brave and want more chili? Go for it. Adjust it until it tastes absolutely perfect for you. This is your salad, after all. And that's it. Just like that, it's completely done. Look at this. We've made this incredibly vibrant, beautiful salad, and it's ready to eat right now. This is what's so amazing about Burmese salads. In every single bite, you get that rich creaminess from the avocado, then that bright, zesty pop from the lime and the tomatoes, and it's all grounded with that savory flavor from the onion and fish sauce. It's just the perfect balance. I really hope you enjoyed making this with me today, and if you did, it would absolutely mean the world to us if you let us know. So please, think about giving this a like and definitely subscribe to the Asian Food Diary so you don't miss out on our next adventure in the kitchen. Oh, and leave a comment below. I really do love reading what you guys think. And before I go, I've got a question for you. What should we make next? Is there a dish you've always wanted to try? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you again soon. Happy cooking!